Emagine Theater in Royal Oak, Michigan, and we got an elevator here. Let's take a ride. Interesting green indicator drop in a Series 5. Let's go to M. You going down?
Yeah.
Come on in.
He just wants one. He said just wants one.
I'm filming the elevator. It's a hobby. There's a whole community of people on YouTube that film elevators.
Really?
Yep. And I'll be making money off of it soon.
Really?
Yep.
People who watch elevators?
Yes, they do. Anything, you name it. I was out filming trains earlier today. People watch that too.
Yeah. I figured it was a thing. I seen
A hobby.
yeah, people watch you eat, and there's
Oh, yeah?
tons of huge community in that. So.
Yeah, your community for pretty much everything.
Yep.
Have a good one. And there's popcorn in the door track. Let's go down. Guess we can get all real quick. Whoa, what comes out here? Bathrooms right here too. And that's the big screening room. Take a look at that. That's cool. There's a lot. All right, and now we'll go down. It's right up here. And I will exit. There's the machine room, and that'll be it.